Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making salsa. Everyone has a different salsa recipe depending on what you put in it, how you make it, and everything like that. But this is how I make it, and we're going to use a blender to make it, and it's really simple. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now for this recipe, we're going to need 3 to 4 small jalapenos chopped. Now depending on how spicy you like it, and if you really want to kick, you're going to leave in the seeds and stuff like that. We're also going to need half of an onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, 6 tomatoes chopped, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. We're going to start by pulsing together our onions, our jalapenos, and our garlic. The reason why we're leaving the tomatoes out, because if you start pulsing this all together, it's going to get very soupy, because we want the onions and the jalapenos and garlic to be a smaller consistency than the tomatoes. And that's what we're looking for right there. Now we're going to go in with our tomatoes and the rest of our ingredients, and we're going to pulse this, I want to say about 10 times, or until you get the consistency that you are looking for. And that right there is the consistency that I like to have my salsa. I'm going to give it a little taste to adjust the seasonings. I think it needs a little bit more salt and pepper. So I'm going to season this, and then we're going to plate it up. I'm going to be having some chips and salsa, so I'm going to serve it like this. I got myself a nice little salsa bowl. We're just going to fill it up with our homemade salsa. Now you can put this on tacos or the Southwest frittata if you're interested in that. I will drop a link down in the description for that as well. Now let's get out and have a taste of this. Alright, let's get a taste of the salsa. It's a beautiful marriage of all those flavors. Now this can last up in your fridge for about 2 weeks. I do recommend making this about a day in advance, because by letting it sit overnight, the flavors are just going to come together and it's going to pop and shine even more than what it does now. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, you can also check out my outdoor channel. I'll drop a link in the description. And if you wish to support the channel, I also have a Patreon. I'll give you a link for that as well. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.